Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making the best creamy chicken lasagna. To begin, in a mortar, add in 4 cloves of garlic, followed by 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then go ahead and pound it away until it turns into a paste. And when it looks like this, then you know it is good to go. For this recipe, we're using 2 boneless and skinless chicken breasts. Now add the garlic and oregano mixture to the chicken, followed by 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and about half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper or to taste. Then coat the chicken in the seasoning. Transfer to the fridge and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. And after the chicken has been marinated, set your Instant Pot to 35 minutes pressure cook high. Transfer them into the Instant Pot. Add 2 cups of chicken stock. Then put the lid on and we wait until the chicken has been cooked through and it is soft and tender. Once the chicken has been cooked, place a towel over your Instant Pot and release the pressure. Safety first. Remove the chicken from the Instant Pot and using 2 forks, go ahead and shred it. Then change your Instant Pot to the saute setting and press start. Bring the shredded chicken back into the pot and simmer for about 20 minutes until all the liquid has evaporated. That liquid inside the pot holds all the flavor to this chicken. Once all the liquid has evaporated, get the chicken out of the pot and set it aside. Now fill up a large pot with cold water. Over high heat, bring the water to a boil and add in 2 tablespoons of salt. Add in a whole box of lasagna noodles or 16 ounces. Cook the noodles as per direction on the package. We want the noodles to be al dente, so do not overcook. Once the noodles have cooked, drain and transfer into a bowl. Soak the noodles in cold water to stop the cooking process and keep the noodles from sticking together. Now in a mixing bowl, add in 15 ounces of ricotta, 1 large egg, a quarter of a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, a quarter of a cup of fresh parsley, and 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then mix to incorporate. Once the mixture has been evenly incorporated, set it aside. Now in a large pot over medium heat, add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We are sauteing 1 medium-sized onion finely diced. Saute the onion for a couple of minutes or until translucent. Then add in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. As the butter begins to melt, whisk in 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in 2½ cups of chicken broth, followed by 1½ cups of heavy cream. Go ahead and whisk until smooth. Season the sauce with 2 teaspoons of salt and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Bring the sauce to a simmer and simmer for about 5 minutes. Once the sauce has thickened to a light gravy consistency, add in 3 cloves of garlic minced, followed by 5 ounces of spinach roughly chopped. Stir to incorporate the spinach and once evenly incorporated, turn the heat off and set it aside. Now add some of the sauce to the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. Add 4 lasagna noodles to the top of the sauce. Then spread half of the ricotta mixture. Then spread out half the shredded chicken. Add some of the spinach sauce over the chicken. Then place another layer of noodles. Repeat the same steps, add the ricotta mixture over the noodles. Spread it out as even as you can. Spread out more shredded chicken. Cover with the spinach sauce. The sauce will keep the chicken juicy and moist. Layer with the top layer of noodles. Add the remaining of the sauce. And top it off with 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 375 degrees, that is 190 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to cover the lasagna with aluminum foil. I like to make the aluminum foil as wrinkled as you can so it does not touch the cheese. Cover the lasagna with the wrinkled aluminum foil, ensure that it's not touching the cheese. Then bake at 375 degrees for 45 minutes. And after baking at 375 for 45 minutes, remove the aluminum foil. Now change from 375 to broil and broil for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the cheese is golden brown and bubbly. And if everything goes according to plan, your creamy chicken lasagna will look like this. Now let it rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing. You may garnish with fresh Italian parsley if you like. Yo, check this out. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, the best creamy chicken lasagna. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.